Hello guys, I come today with the new Adobe updates. Adobe gives Photoshop 2021 even more sensei AI power. Adobe calls Photoshop 2021, also known as version 22.0, the world's most advanced AI application for creatives. So let's see what's new. The primary new features are neural filters, sky replacement, improved refined edge selections, and the all new Discover panel. In this episode, you will know the power of neural filters. Let's watch. Neural Filter is a new workspace in Photoshop with a library of filters that dramatically reduce difficult workflows to just a few clicks using machine learning powered by Adobe Sensei. Neural Filter is a tool that empowers you to try non-destructive generative filters and explores creative ideas in seconds. Neural Filters helps you improve your images by generating new contextual pixels that are not actually present in your original image. To get started, download filters from the cloud and start editing. You can find both featured and beta filters in the Neural Filters workspace by clicking filters, then Neural Filters. You can even cast your vote for the filters you would like to see implement in the future. You can download desired filters from the cloud. Any filters that shows a cloud icon next to it will need to the download from the cloud, or you can use it the first time. Simply click on the cloud icon to download each filter you plan to use. There are three categories of a neural filters: featured and fully functional. These are release filters. The outcomes of these filters meet high standards and comply with the all legal and identity preservation and inclusion standards. Beta. These filters are available for testing. The machine learning models or work are still being improved. Feel free to use and test these filters knowing that the output may be unexpected. Coming soon. These are the filters that are not yet available but may be available in the near future. Vote for the favorite filters by clicking on the I am interested button. Now I am starting with the portrait adjustments. I have already opened the image of woman. Go to the filter menu, then select neural filter. Select the beta filters first. Select the button to activate the filters. First emotion is a happiness. As I will move the slider to the right side, smile will be the bigger. See before and after. It's great. As I move slider to the left side, happiness converted to the sadness. Same with the other emotions like surprise. Directions. You can also change the direction of the face. And you can also change the light direction of the face. Here is another slider is a retain unique details. It depends on you how much you keep the original details. As you seen, I move the slider on left, the aging details reduced and the woman look more young by the adding pixels in the pictures by the AI technology. You can select or unselect any filter applied on the face. As you unselect the filter, picture converted to the original. Makeup transfer. You can transfer the makeup from the other portrait to the target portrait. As you can see how the makeup transferred on the picture. Haze. Picture editing made easy. So you can also add or remove haze. By selecting warm slider, you can add more warm or decrease the warmness. Automatically colorize your photos. Give black and white new life or change up the colors in your pictures with the automatic colorization powered by Adobe Sensei. Another option, super zoom. Quickly zoom and crop an image with the super zoom filter. Then Photoshop add details to the compensate the loss of resolution as you can see in this picture. The JPEG artifacts remove artifacts resulting the JPEG comparison. These are the beta filters. In the next part, I will come with the new filters and the features. Thanks for watching.